State Line residents are celebrating the excitement of cicadas and encouraging kids to be curious. Klehm Arboretum and Botanic Garden spent the morning answering all of the questions about the critters. They hosted a guided hike with cicada facts hidden on QR codes at different stops. The bugs are important for the ecosystem and boost local animal-wildlife populations. While not everyone is thrilled about the emergence of the cicadas, organizers at Klehm say everyone can be educated.
It just shows that, things in nature aren't always the same, and there's new phenomenons happening every day if they get out there exploring. And I just think it's really cool to have kids involved and maybe not picking up on that fear. If you have a little fear of cicadas, that's okay. But maybe if kids want to just get a little bit more involved with nature and form a connection like I did when I was younger, it could lead to amazing careers or conservation or just passions that they have into their adulthood.
Cicadas weren't the only thing being celebrated today. It was also the grand opening of this year's seasonal outdoor exhibit, Habitat.